Now, let us see the ventilation menu screen. In Admit Patient, patient details such as name, height, weight, sex can be entered. In Self-Test, self-test can be performed again in case breathing circuit or flow sensor or patient type is changed. In Modes, required mode can be selected here. All the modes work in invasive and non-invasive mode. In non-invasive mode, automatic leakage compensation will compensate for the leakage in the mask. In Patient Log, detailed patient logs of last 48 hours of set values, achieved values is displayed here. Data of up to 100 patients can be accessed from here. Now let us see the service menu. In Events, Events give status of all the possible alarms on one screen. We have incorporated over 75 different medium priority and high priority alarms which take into account everything that can go wrong in a ventilator. This results in easy troubleshooting. In Calibration, calibration of oxygen sensor and flow sensor can be performed here. In System Configuration, configuration of time, date, oxygen delivery, EtCO2 module and nebulizer module is possible on this screen. In Sensor Output, real-time output of all the sensors inside the ventilator is seen here. This helps the service engineer to diagnose any issue inside the ventilator and troubleshoot the same. In Alarm History, this screen logs all the alarms in past 48 hours. Now let us see the ventilator screen. Mode. User can select or change the mode by touching here. Events. User can see all real-time alarms generated and events occurred. Stop. User can stop the ventilation by touching this button. Start or Standby. User can start or pause the ventilation by touching this button. Real time, date and time can be seen here. Battery status. Battery status and charging status can be seen here. Mute. Alarms can be muted for 120 seconds. Lock, unlock. Change. Lock or unlock the touchscreen. Set parameters. Set parameters for any mode can be set here by clicking on the particular parameter and changing the parameter to required value. Additional set parameters. Additional set parameters which are not displayed on the ventilation screen can be set here by pressing Setting button. Alarm settings. High and low alarm settings can be set over here. Alarm history. This screen logs all the alarms in past 48 hours. Monitored parameters. Following parameters are monitored continuously and displayed in real time. Peak inspiratory pressure. Peak and expiratory pressure. Plateau pressure. Inspiratory tidal volume. Expiratory tidal volume. Fraction of oxygen delivered to patient. Respiratory rate. Inspiratory time-expiratory time ratio. More. Additional monitored parameters can be seen here. Patient details. Patient detail that is adult, pediatric and infant gets displayed here along with patient ID. By clicking here, patient details log gets displayed. Alarms. Real-time alarms get displayed here, which are color-coded as per the criticality. Waveform scaling. Waveform scaling of pressure, volume and flow waveforms can be done here with small, medium and large values. Loops. Following loops can be observed in real time. Pressure volume loop, volume flow loop, pressure flow loop. Now let us see the maneuvers. O2 flush. We can keep the oxygen concentration at 100% for 30 seconds after pressing this. This feature can be used for procedures of pre- and post-aspiration of secretions in the airways. Inspiratory hold. By pressing this button, the inspiration will be extended for a minimum period of 10 seconds. Expiratory hold. The expiration will be extended for a minimum period of 10 seconds. P0.1. P0.1 is pressure drop below the baseline pressure generated by the inspiratory effort of the patient and measured during the first 100 minutes from the beginning of the inspiratory phase. Recruitment. The recruitment maneuver interrupts the regular breathing pattern to insert a specified number of high-pressure strokes and then returns to normal ventilation again. This maneuver is used to open the lungs by applying a fixed number of strokes with a high inspiratory pressure and a high PEEP and adapted duration time. Nebulizer. The nebulizer flow is synchronized with the inspiration and works with vibrating mesh-based nebulizer such as Aerogen.